I made an adorable card today using the Radiating Stitches die set. Now this die set is one of our online exclusives. It's not printed in any catalog, but you can find them directly on my website. And they're just really neat dies. They make like an outline shape around the outside of the piece of cardstock, and it just looks really cool. Now this paper here is some of the free paper you can earn during celebration, and you just have a few days left until the end of February to cash in on those celebration freebies. So I just really like that rainbow print there. Now see how I'm just going to add on the rectangles there, and then all I'm going to do is just stamp a sentiment, and that's really it. Now I got the inspiration for the card layout directly from the photo that's pictured with the stamp set or with the die set on the website. And that's what I love about the ideas that Stampin' Up! Gives in the catalog or online on the website, because you can just use different papers and it looks like a completely different card. Now isn't that heart cute? Again, that's just from the die set. So you can go ahead and check out close-up pictures and all the details for this card on my website. Head over to madetocreatewithlisa.com.